Ugh. Ready? Clap, okay? Ooh. Oh, yeah, boy! I'm just kidding. Whoa. Okay, guys. I have a good show for you. Video for you. It's Kendama time. No adjustments. Okay, so if you want to learn how do you say it? If you want to know how to dry spike, it's really easy. Put it down, bring it up. Now don't go like that. Don't be going right from there. You want to go like this. Pull it up gently. See, nice and still, and land. Wow. So that's how you do dry spike, and so it's dry spike. And this is what it would probably look like. Oh my gosh, that's just crazy insane. Next vid is pill. Are you serious? My pill kendama vid is just gonna be called pill. Are you serious? Okay, come on. It's just gonna be called pill. No, the pill. I'm actually pretty good at the pill. So I'll just. Alright, time for freestyle. Alright guys, I know the trick. What I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go dry spike to base cut, no adjustment spike to an acrobat, and you'll see the trick. Alright, so ready? Down spike. Down spike. I can land down spike. No, that's just insane. Okay, fine, I'm gonna do that trick I said I'll do. See, that's why you don't want it wobbly. I'm holding it in a different way than I usually hold it, so it's gonna be a little hard. Yeah, I need to hold it the way I usually hold it. Are you kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me? Oh my gosh. I know what. I'm just kidding. Seriously. Yo. I'm just gonna put it on this way. Base cut. So are you serious? It's been such a long time since I played with the Ken. I usually play with my pill. I can do dry spike on it. And kendama and everything, but like Seriously, dude. Oh, swing spike. Yes, we'll go with swing spike to the whole acrobat stuff. Yeah, I thought my cousins were here. I was like, yeah, they're here. But they like come at night time actually. So that's the time they usually come. But if they come early, I'm gonna be happy. Just like no adjustment. Son. You better watch out, boy. It's a infinite acrobat. Yeah, boy. You know, all right. I'm just kidding.